How to set custom call vibrations for contacts on Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on contacts. Then open up the contacts that you want to customize the vibration. So here I tap on Mr. Brown. Then tap on more, and then from the pop-up menu, select change ringtone or vibration. Next, tap on call vibration, and then we go down the list and select a custom call vibration. So here I got telephone. Then tap on the back key, and that's it. So for this particular contact, from now on, it will receive a unique vibration pattern for that contact. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.